All of you, welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to share a complete roadmap for Solana blockchain developer, and I will also highlight what are the projects which you can build and add in your portfolio if you're an absolute beginner. And I think this is the best approach which you have to focus when you are learning any particular technology. I would suggest you to build project straight away. What will happen when you will build, you will realize that how things are happening in this particular programming language and how you're going to take that to build something meaningful. I see a lot of students get confused when you teach them the programming language, teach about the variables, and when it's come to building the project, they get totally confused and lost that how we are using those variables and building the project. So this is what I generally focused, and when I was learning the programming language, this is what I did at the initial stage. I started with focusing the project, and gradually when I was building the project, I was doing the research side by side. So if I'm using any variable, I was just learning the variable, that what it is and how it's going to affect in the program. And I was also doing the side note. So if it's a UNT variable, why we use UNT variable, why we cannot use the call data. So these kind of things will automatically get implemented when you will start working on the project. In this video, I will share a couple of projects which you can start building straight away. And trust me, if you build all of this project, and it's so beginner friendly that anybody can follow without, if you don't have any background of coding, you can easily be able to follow it, and gradually you can expand your knowledge. Just try to do a couple of research and it will help you to understand things faster. So here you can see I'm on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that. The very first project, I would suggest you to come back here. This is the project I want you to follow, in which we have built the complete full stack to do app using the Rust programming language, because you know that if you want to write smart contract for Solana blockchain, then you have to know Rust. You can combine the Rust with the Anchor framework and you can build your contract. But if you want to build something purely with the Rust, then this project is absolutely must for you, and it will also help you when you're going to use the Anchor framework. So if you're an absolute beginner, then build this particular project. Trust me, it's super easy. It's a close to 2 hours long project. You can able to build the backend using the Rust program. You can understand that what are the models we have utilized it. If you can go back to the different section, then you will find that we have built the complete backend using the Rust programming language, where we are writing the to do all of the things. So this is the first project. I would highly encourage you to build it if you want to see yourself as a Solana developer. That's the first project. Now if I come back here to my channel, so I'll simply click here, go back to view channel, and if I come back here, you will find that we already built two. So if I come back here, I want you to build this one first, this one. So you will find that this is the complete project in which we have built the front end and back end, and we have used the Anchor framework and Rust for writing the smart contract for the ICO tab. So this project will help you to understand that how you can write the Solana smart contract, how you can deploy, what are the models we have, what are the frameworks you can use for writing the contract, how you can deploy it on the exchange, verify it, get the address, and how you can able to code the program and build the logic around it. So this is the complete project where we have built the ICO, where we are allowing user to buy our ICO token through this application. So build this one. This is one is absolutely must for you if you really want to focus on DeFi, and that's going to be the huge thing. That's why Solana is come into the picture when it's come to a DeFi. So this is the one project, and here you will find the another project we have is the third Solana project we have is this one. It's an ISO project which allow you to sell your SPL token. You can see in the which we have used a different architecture, different model, so you can able to understand that what architecture we are following. So you can start with this one, then you can follow the second one, third one, and fourth one. This is the complete playlist which you can simply watch, or you can simply watch the complete video which I have combined it, which you will find here. So make sure to follow this and build this three project. Once you will build this fifth project, you will understand that how to use the Rust and Anchor framework for writing the smart contract, what are the important and required packages which you have to know and understand and use it in those module, which is the industry and standard, which you can simply implement and build all the functionality for Wallet Connect, Phantom Wallet, and any other wallets we have right now for performing the transaction on the chain. So this project will help you a lot. You can also build a token creator dApp. We have tons of project around it which will work absolutely fine. You can launch your token on Solana exchange. That's all is there. So this three project is absolutely must. You can also include the Solana token creator. We already have the video for it, which I will link down below, or I will link all of this video which you can simply follow, or you can come back here. So this is the roadmap which you have to follow. This is what I used to follow, and I always recommend any students, anybody who are interested in the Solana development, that builds projects straight away. Build a simple project, see your capability, see your understanding level, and just follow this particular roadmap. When you are building, don't just copy paste whatever is getting explained. Just do your research. Just give one step further research into this. So if I have taken any variable, just try to test with a different variable. Try to see what kind of variables you can play around with. Simply take that variable, give the chat GTP and ask that what it is, why it's getting implemented, what are other way which I can simply implement the same logic. That's how you will learn. That's how you will learn faster. And when you will build in this way, what will happen, you will also get excited, because sometimes we get bored when you have to learn the programming language. I used to get bored when I was learning JavaScript. I'll be honest with you. I was getting super bored when I was reading the variables, loop, function. I was getting super bored. But I got excited when I started building the project. I see how I utilize those variables which I was totally neglecting at the starting point. So that should be your roadmap. I hope you have understood. You can simply come back to the blockchain coder. There you will find all the project. We have 100 plus project we have already developed. So check there. We have more than 20 plus project for the Solana blockchain. Check, try to watch it. You will find the complete video. Simply download the starter file and start following straight away. You will find all the videos right up here. All the videos. So simply watch it. Try to spend some time, do a proper research. If you're interested in EVM compatible chain, you can check all the project which we have. If you are interested in the Solana, you can check all the project we have. This is absolutely must, and it's very important for all of you guys. Spend some quality time and just learn it. Don't waste your time jumping from here to there, because most of you waste a lot of your time. I did it in my initial state. That's why I'm telling you that every one of you who are interested in something, we waste a lot of time whenever we try to start something. So don't waste your time. I don't want you to waste your time. I want you to save your like next 3 to 4 months. That's why I'm telling you. Just build project. Automatically things will get clear, and you will understand that where you have to go, whether it's worth giving your time or not. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. Make sure, do the filtration, find out all the Solana project. We have more than 20 plus Solana project which you can able to find. NFT marketplace, NFT creator, token creator, like token swap. That's all we have. That's all we have. Simply build. When you will build, you automatically things will get clear to you. So I hope I made myself clear, and I'm giving you my personal roadmap which I used to follow, and that's how I've learned. So you can simply take the same approach to save your next 3 to 4 months. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.